Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OnePlus 12R. And let's start with translation, so you can translate anything from one language to another using your Google Assistant. And it goes like this. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
And also your Google Translator, your Google Assistant speaks out loudly those translations. Next one will be on how to count calories, and it goes like this. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
according to Livestrong, a typical burger contains about 4 ounces of ground beef, which, according to the USDA, is 375 calories. For those who
Okay, and next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom.
got it. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. It goes like this. Hey Google, where are you?
Peekaboo, I'm over here.
And your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. You can also try asking for any song. And the last one will be on how to send messages, and one thing to note is that you can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.